we see through the title of my research, there is the prevalence and impact of artificial intelligence. Here, the prevalence, we mean the emergence and the impact of artificial intelligence application in digital media. We would like to know, through a systematic literature review, to know to what extent digital AI has influenced digital media and through how many topics. At the beginning of my research, I have shown that some terminologies regarding media, digital media, and even regarding the types of artificial intelligence, the everyday applications of AI and digital media. Then, through the new advancements in the digital media and in the same time in artificial intelligence, we can find there is somehow some kind of disruption in the data relating to the digital media between the AI and digital media. So through the study background, we came to the problem statement. We came to the problem statement of my research, and we have found that there is a shortage in the existing literature review regarding the applications and implications between the AI and the digital media. That's to say, the main research gap is the gap knowledge between AI and the digital media. That's why we have started this. Through the literature review, we have chosen 7 topics between AI and digital media. And through the systematic literature review, we have came to compare how many topics relating to these 7 topics we have already chosen and emerged in the total literature review. And finally, in the last 7 topics regarding into this literature review, we have came to a conceptual and a conceptual framework, which is focusing on the main research question in my article. The research methodology we have already used in this research is a qualitative research, of course, and in the qualitative research we have used 4 main techniques to collect the data. The main technique is literature search approach. In this approach, we have to came to find out what kind of material we have to integrate in our research, whether it is a journal paper or book or conference proceeding books or other types of materials. In the second technique, we have used criteria for selection. In this criteria for selection, we have applied some mathematical Boolean algebra to include and to exclude the data in this research. And before the last technique, it is the selection process. The selection process, among all the materials we already used, we have to we came to compare the title and the abstracts in the before final step. And in the last step, we have extracted this data. We have removed the relevant information, the exact information relating to the literary research. Regarding the population and the data sampling of our research, the population is the bibliographic electronic resources like the EBSCO and the ACMs, and even the Google Scholar, the search engine optimization techniques like the Bing search, or even the previous one, the Yahoo search. The data we have collected finally is 104 related material between the AI and the digital media. Finally, through the data we have collected, we concluded that there are some points through the analyzing of this data. One of the main points is to what extent AI, artificial intelligence, has influenced in the personalization content recommendation. There are a lot of scenarios. For example, in one of the scenario is that imagine before you buying a pair of shoes in internet, AI has a lot of information about what you are going to purchase. Why? Because through the AI algorithms already we have the AI through the AI algorithms the AI knows you have previously came to what kind of pair of shoes, so they will suggest a lot of pair of shoes in the same time. Another conclusion in my research is AI has influenced the content creation as well. Content creation is very important in the digital media world. Why? Today, suppose you have a campaign, a company or a business company. There is a campaign for this company. Instead of this company, for example, they need sharing a lot of posts in 1 week or in 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Instead of sharing each post each time, it takes time and it takes a lot of money. Now, through the AI content creation algorithms, you can publish and you can, let's say, you can post a high volume of posts in the same time, in 1 second. Another conclusion in my research, besides these advantages and the good points of between AI and digital media, in the same time there are a lot of drawbacks. The drawbacks belong to especially the use of privacy and security. Until now we do not know this data the AI will use, it has been embedded in the AI algorithm, it's what kind of data. That makes some kind of problem. Another problem is unemployment through the use of AI and especially the using of chatbots. When you are going to a website and you are trying to find to make some kind of online subscription, maybe you will have some problem in how to subscribe to the online subscription. In this time, a chatbot automatically come to the website and they will help you. So through having such chatbots, maybe some of the people, especially the customer service people, they will be unemployed. Like other studies, my research will have some kind of limitations as well. The first limitation is the kind of bibliographic resource I have already used. I mainly focused on secondary data, and in this secondary data, because subscription for the electronic famous databases like Elsevier or Springer, it is not free. So one of the limitations of my study was that I could not extract the data from such big databases. Another limitation of my research is the time. The time I have devoted for doing my research, it was between the December 2023 and the January 2024. So the changing time may be between 1 month or 1 year, or sometime they will impact the result of my study. And that was all about my research. If you have any question, I am ready to answer.